Hello, my dear students. Are you remembering what we have learned in the previous class? Yes, we have learned the two types of roots. Now, let us learn about the functions of roots. Children, the three main functions of roots are: they hold the plant firmly in the soil. That means root fixes the plants in the soil. Here we can see the fibrous root which fixes this plant in the soil. So the one main function of root is that the root holds the plant firmly in the soil. The second function is roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Here we can see the roots are absorbing water, and this water is going to the stem, and from the stem it is going to leaves. This is how plants are growing, by absorbing water and minerals. Now, which part of the plant is absorbing water and minerals? Yes, it is roots. So, the second function of roots are they absorb water and minerals from the soil. We have learned two functions of roots. One more function is there, that is, roots of some plants store food. Look here, the food stored by carrot, radish, beetroot and sweet potatoes. We used to eat them, right? And they are the roots of those plants. So we call these roots as storage roots. Children, look at the board and say what are called storage roots. The roots that store food are called storage roots. Now look at the board and read the three main functions of roots along with me. First one is roots hold the plants firmly in the soil. Second one is root absorbs water and minerals from the soil. And the third function is roots of some plants store food. That's all about the root. Other than root, which is the other main part of a plant? Yes, it is shoot. In last class, we have learned that shoot consists of a stem, many leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Are you remembering it? Okay, good children. Today, let us learn about stem. The stem is the main part of a plant. Leaves, flowers, buds and fruits comes from the stem. Now look at some plants. Are the stem of all plants look alike? No, right? Some are thin, thick, weak and strong. So we can say that different plants have different kinds of stem. Now look here. This is the stem of a tree. Which tree is this? Yes, coconut tree. This is thick and strong, right? So we can call them as trunk. Children, try to say what is called a trunk. A thick and strong stem is called a trunk. What is the spelling of trunk? Trunk. So if the stem is strong and thick, then we will call that stem as what? Trunk. Children, do you know the name of this tree? Yes, this is banyan tree. Look the stem of this banyan tree. It is very thick and strong, is it? So we will call this stem as what? Trunk. Now look here. Which tree is this? Yes, this is mango tree, and the stem of this tree is also very thick and strong. So we will call it as the trunk. So we can say that the thick and strong stem is called a trunk. Like roots, stem also has its functions. Now let us learn that. Are you getting bored? After discussing about the function of stem, we will wind up our class. Okay? So listen here. First function is that stem keeps the plant upright. That means it helps the plant to stand straight. We know that some plants with a weak stem cannot stand straight. But generally, the one function of stem is to keep the plant upright. Second function of the stem is that it carries water and minerals from the roots to the leaves. So the duty of the stem is to carry the water and minerals from the root to the leaves. We have already learned that roots absorb water and minerals from the soil, right? Now, the stem is not only having this duty, it also carries the food prepared by the leaves. So, leaf is the main chef of the plant and stem is the supplier, right? So, the third function of stem is that it carries food prepared by the leaves to different parts of the plant. Last function of the stem is that it stores food in some plants. Look here, onion, potato and ginger are the stems of the plants. And it is edible for us. That means we can eat it, right? But the stems of these plants grow below the ground. So we call them as underground modified stem. That's all for today. Read the textbook and study well. Bye.